There's a reason why AI channels aren't monetizing. YouTube requires human effort for the channel. I mean, YouTube clearly states that creativity is needed, and AI should be used to enhance that creativity, not just copy and paste it onto your channels. AI can generate anchor, and if you do not want to reveal the face, then I will explain the process of how AI will become the anchor and how the headlines will be generated properly. So let's start the process. First, you simply copy this prompt for AI anchor form from my description. After that, you'll have to go to Whisk. As soon as you arrive at Whisk, there'll be an interface like this. You can paste that prompt here. Now look, from the bottom, we select its aspect ratio, which is the size, YouTube size. And then as soon as we go to generate, it will give us these two generated images. As you can see, the result it gave us is of completely random girls. Now, if you guys want to create your own character here, or you want something that you guys need as a news anchor, then what will you do? For example, I'm going to Google to download random image of TV anchor. Simply go to Whisk website and the Add Image in the Subject option. By going to the Add Image option, you'll get the image of the person you want. Once it's uploaded, hit Generate. Now look at the result. The exact image we gave has been generated. Now, if you want to make changes, select the one that seems final to you. Click the Refine button where you can make adjustment in this image. You might want to add something or delete something. For example, I want to change her hair color. I'll simply write, I want her hair color to be blonde. So as soon as we go to generate, look, our anchor hair color is blonde. Once the image of our liking has been generated, next we'll animate this image. For this, we'll click the option Animate. Whisk gives you 50 credits for an image, means you can animate 6 videos, each 6 seconds long. If you want, you can type what kind of animation you want. Like, I want her to talk and look at the paper, so I'll write, she is talking, looking at the camera, and sometimes looking at the papers. Hit Generate, and Whisk will animate your video. See, our video has been generated, and here is the result. Look at the movement, how realistic and amazing it is. The way she's looking down, moving the paper, and looking into the camera, everything is perfect. Okay, if your results aren't perfect, you can regenerate them. This creates an 8-second video for you. Well, here, Whisk might be automatically saying something. Its audio is auto-generated, so don't worry about that. We'll provide our own voice. We'll simply download it. After downloading it, now let's move on to where we're going to gather our news. What will we do for news? You can simply go to Google and type in news headlines. Simply go to any website for headlines, like I'm choosing this one. Here you go, the headlines, and go to the Word file and paste them one by one. Let me do it quickly. I'll copy the headlines of the 3 or 4 news stories I need from here and save them in a Word file. The next step is to generate the audio of these headlines. For this, we'll go to Google AI Studio. Click Get Started. You'll see an interface like this. Go to Text to Speech. Now look, here we have 2 paid versions at the top and the unpaid one at the bottom. You have to click on that. Here, as we have 2 speakers, you need to click on the single audio speaker. Copy the headlines and paste them here, and then look here where the style is mentioned above. Write News Narration. We have a female news anchor. For this, we'll choose the voice of a female. You can see that on the right side. You can listen to the voices one by one. As I'm choosing Corey and hit Run. After some time, our audio will be generated. You can listen to it and then simply click the 3 dots and download it using the download button. Next, for the anchor's lip syncing, we'll go to Google and type Dream Face. You have to log in from here, just like you do. And look, I'm already logged in. You can find my work here on the side. You need to go to plus from here. Here where the photos and videos are, you need to go to plus, and what you simply do is upload the video you generated using Whisk. For audio, you need to go to Audio and then simply upload the audio you generated from Google or Studio. Once both are uploaded, hit Generate. In free version, your video will be put in queue. This is it. That's how you can create headlines news. Follow for more such content.